Hey guys, welcome to Greens and Browns. This is Christina and I love to DIY. Everybody has a special place at their home that they love to hang out, small nooks and corners that is special for them, and that's where I come in the picture. I love to create small spaces, small hangout, spots where it's like cozy, comfortable, and above all, just fun to hang out. So as a kid, I've grown up in a very small home, a room slash apartment, if you may call it. It was roughly around 25 feet by 14 feet long, and every real estate in that home had to be used wisely. That's where my mom and aunt came in the picture, and you would be surprised how they utilized the entire space. They had a bed out there. I remember having a couch. Then I remember my mom and aunt, they would always have like storage spaces on the walls high up, and there was a tiny nook called kitchen where we all loved to eat. So that was home to me. So that's where I get my first hands-on design skills from. And I'm so excited to share this extreme makeover of this very tiny room, equally tiny room. It's roughly around 16 feet by 7 feet long. It was fun and challenging. Do have a look at it and give a thumbs up. Thank you. This is the room we have. A lot of cleaning has to be done. I already knocked off the countertop. Now that the counters are gone, I have to take the shelves out. My ceiling is also messed, and that needs to be painted as well. I had to make a quick trip to Home Depot to pick paints and paint brushes. I went for a shade of white. We'll definitely link it in the description box. And for the mural, I picked a shade of green. I also bought a shade of brown, brown beige, which I did not use. All my paints were from Behr brand, Behr, and I got some rolling brushes as well. Next, we had to take all the shelves out, and we went ahead and filled all the cracks before painting. Word of advice: paint the edges with the brush, but use the rolling brush for the walls. I used the paintbrush and messed up initially, but what's a DIY without a mess? Talking about a mess, second word of advice slash caution: put a rag or some covering on the floor when you paint the ceiling. Lucky me, I had to paint the floor anyways, for which I used a concrete floor paint with epoxy from Behr as well. This is the paint I got from Home Depot. I will be taping the edges of the wall so I don't get any paint on the wall. guys. It's been so much fun to paint the walls together with my husband and my daughter, and I'm just about to do some mural painting on this wall right here, and then set up some furnitures, and then we could reveal this together. I wanted to make a semicircle. I went ahead and made an outline with pencil and then painted it using a paintbrush and a rolling brush. As well, I used a shade of green. I will link it in the description box. I used a small size paintbrush to outline on the edges and give it a smooth finish. Then I took off all the tapes I put on the floor. I had an old Ikea cabinet in my garage, which I wanted to repurpose and use the wood as shelves for my mural wall. I got around 6 pieces of brackets from Lowe's. Then I put the tapes in the places I wanted my shelves. I used a drill machine to drill the holes and attach the shelves. The most exciting part was to stage it. I used some of my DIY cement pots. Please do watch the video. I will link it in the description box. I also used some of my terracotta painted vases. I will link that video as well. I added some cane furnitures, and there we are. This is my space, my vibe. Be sure to create yours. I will be doing more DIY furnitures or accessories for this room. Please do subscribe to get my updates. Follow me on Instagram, where I post exciting and creative content almost every day. And do not forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching my video.